Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidling with your Business Bite.
Scotiabank is talking up its growth in the Caribbean amid criticisms that the organization is scaling down its operations in the region. However, the annual reports of Scotiabank's parent company reveal that the contribution to total earnings from Caribbean and Central American markets over the past 3 years has been shrinking. In 2021, the region contributed only 3% to Bank of Nova Scotia's overall earnings, which was down from a 5% contribution in 2019 and an 8% contribution in 2018. Proven Investments Limited has surpassed the US $1 billion threshold in total assets, thereby completing its acquisition of Fidelity Bank Cayman Limited (FBC) on February 1. The company has indicated that the entity will be rebranded Proven Bank. Christopher Williams, co-founder and CEO of Proven Management Limited, however, said there are no plans to enter the banking sector in Jamaica.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidling.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.